Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the first trading day for this year. Good morning, Sally. The first comment in this year. George, Sorish. Good morning, everybody. We've got less active market for today. We have hologram coming back from the bottom, and a few stocks jumping in pre-market. Let's see if we're gonna have a first green day for today for this year. CTCX guys breaking out at the moment right on our live streaming right now. CTX guys, alert. CTX looking juicy at the moment. CTCX just came at the moment. We might have a good action for it, everybody. CTX, we have the 97 as a target now. Is the only one that doing all right in the pre-market. We have the breakout just happened around the 75, and current support at the moment is around the 60 cent. ALCE didn't break the 168. That's why we pulled back toward this support, the 130. And hologram is still holding over the $6, guys. The $6. It is the current support for hologram. If we held, we're gonna have the 760. We got other stocks like INTZ reversing from the bottom 30%, FFIE, REVB, which is not available in Europe, guys. Don't be mistaken. REVB, the one in London Exchange with the Nasdaq, is different. So don't be fooled. If you live in Europe, REVB is not available to trade. We have the same ticker, but in London Exchange, which is died or dead in volume. So I don't recommend trading it. That's why I didn't keep it on the main list. So CTX, CTCX, guys, looking pretty good. The only one that looking great before the trading session open for today. Jennifer, for hologram is still okay. For hologram is still okay as long as we hold the 6. For ALCE, if you're still holding, watch out for the 130 and the 113. Because if we broke the 130 or the 113 is mean game over. If we held over this bottom is mean we're gonna reverse for today once the market opened to break the 168, and we might get halted up around the 209 and beyond. So ALCE and hologram is still waiting for the market open to squeeze up. So hologram, for my opinion, for today, if we held the 540, there is a chance for a reversal. ALCE, the same 113 and 130, it is the bottom for today. If we held, we're gonna have a huge reversal as well. This is it. The last bottom for both. The last bottom for both. Let me just show you exactly here. Around this area should be our bottom support, Jennifer. And the exit for hologram is around the 760, and after that 913. And ALCE, it is the around, let's see, around the 193 and the $2.19. So if we reverse, we have to test those two levels. For now, we got CTCX, guys. CTCX, we have the breakout in the 75. This is the only one that doing all right. Make sure to take profit at the moment around the 97 for CTCX. This one is the only one that jumped at the moment. So we could take profit on this one before the market open. We have the entry just at our live streaming open. Now we did 15% really quickly. It's almost test our profit taken around the 97. 97, it is the target for CTCX before the market open, guys. Be careful. We might have a pullback now for CTCX, so make sure to exit. I don't trust it after that. So CTCX looking great. Now we might have a pullback, so I'm gonna exit. Yeah, it's pulling back really quickly. So the 97, it is the current resistant now. So I'm gonna, yeah, around the 97. And the current support at the moment, it is over the 77. Okay, so we got this one, the only one that jumped, very quick jump, guys, from the 77. We did this jump right now at our live streaming, and of course got rejected just below the 97, which is the current resistant. CTCX is the only one that looking great. We have bottom at the market open. If we pull back, guys, I might buy the bottom around the 50 and the 38 if we dipped. For now, so far so good. If we held the 75 for CTCX, still looking great. Alice is still holding the bottom support over the 130, and hologram is pulling back for a test around the 6 and the 540. As you can see here, we have this trend for hologram exactly there. The shorts, yeah, we got a bit of resistance around this white line. You see, we have a huge flag here for hologram. We jumped, now we pulling back. We're waiting for the market open for another jump up. And I'm gonna lower the resistance for this one around the 715. Yeah, 715 should be the current resistance now. Let's see if we jumped from here, how much we can do. Yeah, I'm gonna lower the profit taken around the 811, and after that the 922. For now, it's pulling back, guys. Hologram, it's pulling back. CTCX, it pushed back up and it's still pushing toward the 97. As we said, guys, this is the only one that looks strong for today. CTCX, the only unicorn for beginning of the trading session for this year. The only one that look pretty good. Okay, we got undercover. Jennifer have undercover name. Yeah, I got you. Welcome to our king level on Patreon. Yeah, I sent you a message early about how to sign up to our Discord, and I think right now you are on the Discord level here. I think this is your name on the king level. So I just sign up. Your name right now is orange, is mean you are on the king level. Broken data, live video, work for anyone. YouTube share timestamps broken on live videos. What you mean is broken, man? You mean this live streaming? It works, man. It mean you just refresh your Discord. We don't have any problem, Dexter. Anyway, CTCX, guys, we got major seller around the 97. Hologram and ALCE pulling back. Let's see. Let's see the swing trade for today. AVGO pulling back. Rocket Lab. MSTR pulling back. SMCI the same. Tesla. Whoa, 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 whoa. Are you kidding me, man? Tesla pullback in the pre-market. It didn't expect this huge pullback, man. Was perfect dip here. 3% on this dip. Look at this sneaky scenario happened for Tesla right now, guys. Dipping around our bottom here. Oh, yes. Yeah, Tesla dipping, guys, toward the 380 before the market open. So we have a nice dip right now for the market. Bitcoin is pulling back a bit. Ethereum is still on the grind up. Wow. Okay, so CTTX is still on the top here. Yes, we got some news. Annual delivers. Demand is low and first fall in annual delivery. Oh, brother, this is not good. Not good start for Tesla, guys. Not a good start. Okay, let's see. Tesla, we got a huge dip, guys. Huge dip for today. I might, let's see here. Yeah, Tesla, I'm gonna lower the resistance for it for today. Yeah, we got a resistance for Tesla just there. How much we dipped here? Almost 6%. Interesting dip. Interesting dip. Yeah, the dip is continued. Yeah, Tesla could be good today to buy the dip, guys. A really good dip is coming. Now it's almost 4% down. 5, 6, and here 5. Yeah, we might be dipping 12% for today or more. Let's see SMCI. Nothing much for SMCI. Still holding. MSTR or SMCI Super Micro. Yeah, I missed this dip, man. The dip was perfect. Yeah, it was perfect for Tesla. Could have snatched 3 or 30% on this one. Okay, today we might have a really juicy dip for yeah, we might have a really good juicy dip for Tesla, guys. Tesla looking really good for a juicy dip. Okay, guys, we're watching those swing trade stocks. One of them is Tesla, pulling back big time. We might have a good dip for Tesla today, guys. If you missed Tesla before, this is the time to load up on Tesla because we anticipate a pullback for Tesla for today. A huge pullback. The pullback should be around the 368 now and the 348. Yeah, we might have a huge red day for Tesla after this news. And of course, I'm watching the 395 as a reversal for today. Reversal break. Riot is pulling back. Coinbase is pulling back. Palantir as well. Rocket Lab, the same, is pulling back. AVGO, nope, not now. Still strong AVGO. Yeah, CTCX is pulling back right below the 94. This one could be good, guys, if we held the 75 at the market open. ALCE testing the support at the moment, guys, around the 130. Hologram, the same, is testing the 6. So for ALCE and hologram, guys, keep your eyes close for this bottom for today. Because if they broke this support, I don't suggest holding after that. Anyway, so guys, keep your eyes closed for this reversal for hologram and Alice. For hologram, it is right now around the 6 and the 540. So once the market open, we might dip a little, then we reverse. If we held the 540, is mean hologram will reverse today and test the 715 again, then the $8.15. For LCE, the same. We might dip a little around the 113, then we reverse around the 168 and the 190 and just below the $2. CTCX, one of the top gainer for today. We have a little entry and exit from the 75 and just below the 94. And of course, we spotted hidden seller here, so we might have a squeeze for this one if we broke it around the 95. So CTCX is still strong, guys. At the market open, this one could be good. Let us see if we got something else moving. Not now. Perfect. We don't have anything else moving. For the beginning of this year, we have a bit of slow action. Yeah, slow action here. Keep your eyes closed for CTCX. We might have a breakout before the market open here. CTCX, guys, breaking out again. Yeah, Tesla is pulling back again. Who's ready for the dip for Tesla? I'm ready for this dip. The dip just started right now. It's not completely there. CTCX, guys, testing the resistance. Still testing the resistance. We're not clear yet. Okay, let us bring the countdown. As we said, guys, we don't wait for the new year in order to have a countdown. We do it daily here. So we have a privilege. We are privileged to do daily countdown. Okay, disclaimer for today, guys, before the market open. Remember, we are not financial advisor, guys. So always do your due diligence before you follow me blindly. Remember, we always go live every day around 9 a.m. Eastern Time or 3 p.m. Central European Time. So hit the notification on the like button in order to be notified by tomorrow, Friday. Today is the first day of this year, 2025. So let us make it green. And of course, watch CTCX, ALCE for reversal, and hologram, which is started to reverse at the moment. So those are the three stocks that we watching as a day trade stocks. Hologram is still looking great, guys. Once we break this white line, we start our squeeze. 7:15, it is the trigger for squeeze at the market open, and of course exit strategy, and then $8.11, then we got the 922. So guys, let's get right to it. ALCE the same. We have the bottom now around the 113. This one could be the top gainer, guys, for today if we reverse. And CTCX is testing the 94. We might have a gap up if we broke this orange line today at the market open. We might gap and get halted up. So be careful, CTCX is pretty volatile. The other stocks I'm watching, it is of course Tesla, guys. Tesla looking crazy good for buying the dip. Looking perfect. So I'm gonna bring Tesla on the other list. I'm gonna bring AVGO is pulling back. Rocket Lab is pulling back. MSTR, nope. I think we have to just focus on Tesla or Rocket Lab as well. Or MSTR and SMCI already have alerts for them if they went down to my entry level. Yeah, I'm gonna add SMCI to the list. Okay, the market is open, guys. Let's see. Hologram testing. Alice is reversing. CTCX is breaking out. CTCX, watch out, is breaking out. I think it's halted, guys. CTCX is currently halted. Wow. I think it's currently halted, yes. Tesla, I'm still waiting for another dip. CTCX is currently halted. Yeah, we have a nice entry before this halt for CTCX. Yeah, we have a really good entry around the 90 cents for this haltation. How everybody doing, guys? CTCX got halted, guys. At the market open, look at this candle. As we suggest, guys, if we broke the resistance, we said we're gonna get halted up at the market open, and that's what happened precisely. Now Tesla is pulling back. SMCI want to break the 3148. Alice, no good right now. Still hologram, still holding the 540. Guys, watch out, Alice. If it broke the 113, is mean game over for Alice or ALCE. If we held, we're gonna have a reversal. CTCX target to exit is around the 126 or below it. After that, I don't trust it, man. It would be a bit dangerous to hold around the 189. But yeah, after the unhalting, it's better to exit just below the 126 because we expect big seller here. So if we broke here, we might have another 10%, and after that would be dicey. Tesla still going down. Big seller, guys, after the news of slowness of selling for Tesla for this year or not last year, slow demand. We saw, yeah, Tesla decline in annual deliveries. Fall after EV markets or makers report their first decline in annual deliveries. This is bad news, man, because Tesla, it is overinflated. Yeah, it's overinflated. So now we got FOMO selling. So we might have a huge drop for Tesla, guys. Huge drop. Because it's the first time we have this. The first time we have this low in deliveries. Yeah, Tesla, it is flashing now. Officially. We might flush 12% for today. So it isn't opportunity to buy the dip. Rocket Lab, the same. It could be good to buy the dip Rocket Lab. If we dipped, of course, toward the 24. Let's see if we got something else. Coinbase, I think, is dipping as well. Right, dipping. Palantir dipping more. I think Palantir want to break this trend, guys. We have a good trend here going for Palantir, a bullish one. So today we might break it, and this is will give end to the bullish trend for Palantir. GameStop is still in green. Yeah, AVGO is pulling back. We have to focus. Look, Rocket Lab, guys, is rocketing down. It's getting near an interesting support now for Rocket Lab. Yeah, Rocket Lab is getting near an interesting reversal right now around 24.35. It might be good if we held. CTCX is still halted. Oh man, CTCX, we need a push back up right now. 112. I think it's better to exit right now, guys. I don't like this reaction. Let's see if we reverse up. And I think we halted again. Yeah, it's better to exit for CTCX. It's not advisable to keep holding. So the $1.26 was, yeah, major resistance. That's why we're pulling back now. Alice is still holding, hologram is still holding, Tesla is still pushing back down. Guys, we have a really interesting dip for Tesla now. Tesla and Rocket Lab looking pretty good for buying the dip. Look at that. Rocket Lab looking great. I'm still waiting for another dip for Rocket Lab to enter around maybe 22.83. Yeah, CTCX is halted again. Tesla, we're gonna go to 1,000 again. Not today, man. Not today. For today, we've got opportunity to buy a discount. Yeah, we need a discount for Tesla because now it is really like overextended. Pretty overextended here. Yeah, we have opportunity for a dip here. But there's a lot of people FOMOing and buying blindly. So this is the people who will screw our trade up. If you buy blindly, guys, it's not good. Rocket Lab looking great for a dip. Is better than Tesla now. Yeah, Rocket Lab looking really great here for a dip. Finally, ALCE started to reverse. Alert, ALCE started to reverse. CTCX is halted down exactly around the $1. Tesla started to reverse. Rocket Lab the same. SMCI, no, not good for today here. So yeah, Rocket Lab and Tesla. CTCX nothing. ALCE still good. Hologram still okay, but ALCE, yes, started to reverse. 168, keep your eyes on this, guys. Should be a profit taken and exit for ALCE because we might get shorted again. Yeah, 22 should be good here. 22 something. Yeah, 22.88 maybe. Okay, CTCX pushing back down, guys. Still support over the 77. Alice is pulling back. Hologram, still nothing. Tesla reversing before the current supports. Tricky one, man. Yeah, it pushed back up before my entry. Interesting. CTCX is still holding. We got FFIE reversing from the support. INTZ, still nothing here. We got DJT still fighting. Rocket Lab, what an interesting reversal here. Yeah, 4%. Tesla the same. Let's see if we got something right now for the markets. Top gainer for today, we got AEI 116% for real estate sector. We got ORIS 59, XPON coming up again. Let's check XPON. I think we already discussed this one before, guys, last year. It's not the first time that we discuss XPON. Exactly. But now it's pulling back. It was really good in pre-market. So XPON, I will keep it later. Maybe we trade it. For now, Rocket Lab looking great. Tesla's the same. Alice and hologram. Alice, I don't like this reaction, man. We got shorted just before the 168. So Alice look really weak. We should have tested the 168 at least and squeezed up. This is usually the case for the stock that pull back like this. We should have a big buyer. Hologram still looking all right. CTCX still looking good because still holding the 77. Tesla and Rocket Lab, I feel like a bit disappointed because I was waiting for the dip around the 368, but the reversal happened before, so I didn't have a good entry for it. The same with Rocket Lab, so I don't have an entry for those stocks. So once something happened like this, either never trade it and just wait for another dip. If it didn't, it's better to not entering. Sometimes I get this kind of reaction. I wait for the stock to come to my support. Then I see it reverse before my support. You know what I do? I entered really high around this rejection, and then price go down on me because I get FOMO because the price reversed before my support. So now what I do, I will let the price go. I will never enter. If it doesn't go to me, I will never enter. It's the same if you want to hunt for a bird and you put a bit of scraps of food. Then you wait for the bird to come, but the bird just came near the trap and never come inside the trap. And this is make you run after the bird, losing energy and focus. And maybe while you run after the bird, a lion or hyena see you and then eat you. So it's better not to do that. The same with the stocks, you know. Sometimes you want to hunt the market, you move fast, you enter at the wrong timing, then the market or the vouchers and the hyena and the sharks in the market eat you because they spot you. Yeah, ALCE game over, guys. Pretty game over for ALCE. Not good for today. Or let me see. Yeah, I think we have a last chance for a reversal right now. 113, if we don't hold, is game over. The current resistance at the moment, it is around the 147 for ALCE. Yeah, this one will take a bit of time. If we held over the 113, yes, will be the last bottom at the moment. Tesla, nothing much. Rocket Lab is still jumping. Hologram. Unusual jump and buying pressure for right because Bitcoin going up. But again, guys, Bitcoin still below the 99. Still not that strong. Yeah, Kadham, XPON, already look at it. We already put it on the other list. Yeah, we put it on the other list because now it is pulling back from the resistance around the 450. STEM, STEM. What's going on with this one? 22% at the moment. But light action, man. It is risky to trade this one. CTCX is still jumping. Yeah, it held the 77. ALCE starts to reverse. As we discussed, guys, this should be the bottom for today. If we want to have a reversal, 113. Interesting reversal for Tesla. This is the level that we have to break to go in a green side, 395. So we currently missing almost 2% to jump in the green side. For Rocket Lab, we might get shorted at the moment around the 25.57. This is it. If we broke this level, we're gonna pull back. CTCX got shorted or halted around the 117. Unusual buying pressure. We got the flush and recovery really quick for Rocket Lab. I think we always have this kind of reaction. Hologram finally doing something right now after testing the 540, which is the current support. GP or CGBS doing a new high for today. But again, the technical is a bit shady. We got a bit of manipulation on this one. And ORIS, no good. VSME, no good for today. This one as well. Lunar, whoa. Guys, Lunar is squeezing right now. Lunar is squeezing, currently is squeezing. Holy moly. Lunar, we might have a moon landing. Yeah, Lunar, we have the 2540 as a target. Current support, it is the 1744. Rocket Lab testing the resistance almost around the 25.63. How everybody doing? Yeah, Riot testing the resistance. I don't trust Riot here, man. Okay. Good morning, everybody. What a crazy day we have. Tesla, I wanted to go down a bit. Hologram, nothing much. Alice is still holding. CTCX testing the resistance 120 and now has halted down or almost halted down. Right now is unhalted. We got ATCH, which got halted. Let's see, ATCH. CTCX, which halted now is unhalted. ICG, we got rain, make it rain right now. And Supercom, SPCB. Let's see those stock that got halted. Then we come back, check the rest of the market. ATCH, dead. ICG, light volume, rain, nope. SPC could be good for later, maybe. Could be good for later action. Got really good earnings, reverse split. I'm going to put it in the later zone. Rocket Lab or Lunar. We might have moon landing as we discuss. Oh, come on, man. Holy moly. Lunar is squeezing up, guys. 2025. We have the 1968 as a support. Come on. 2044, 45, 50. I'm gonna put lunar down, DJT, nothing much, CGBS, nothing much, FFIE, lunar still strong, hologram, Alice, I think it's game over here. Yeah, CTCX is halted down. Alice, I think it is no good, man. Yeah, after this rejection is kind of dicey now. Hologram still have a chance. Tesla and Rocket Lab finally pulling back. And Lunar is still strong, guys, for today. We got support for Lunar around the 1968. The other support would be really good for a dip is around the 1871. SMCI is doing all right. Want to break here? Let's see SMCI do if it do jump right now. Yeah, trying to break the 31. Yeah, Lunar is pumping. I think we got some news for Lunar here. Let's see if we might have a pullback for Lunar. Okay, Lunar's pulling back. It could be good for a nice dip right now. Yeah, the dip should be around the 1870. Yeah, for Tesla, it did reverse from the 368.49 really early. So I'm not comfortable entering right now. We might have another dip, so I'm waiting for a test around the 395. We already discussed the strategy for Tesla early, guys, on our Discord. If you're wondering, we always do our plan for the trade for the day every day on our early live streaming that we do here, and before that in the pre-market update. SMCI, nothing much. Tesla still, CTCX still below the resistance. Lunar, yes, it's still holding the 1968. It did a really good jump, Lunar, for today. Okay, AVGO could be good as well now. Okay, lunar looking interesting now. It held perfectly the 1968 and now have a little resistance to break around the 2079. Interesting. Hologram is still interesting, or lunar. Lunar interesting here, man. Still trying. Yeah, Tesla and Rocket Lab is pulling back as expected. Nothing much. Lunar still have a struggle, guys, here. There is a good buyer over the 1968, but losing a bit of momentum. Okay, be careful, guys. We have a pullback now for the market. Rocket Lab, the same, is pulling back. So now either we can have a reversal or a flush down for Rocket Lab. 2468. Oh boy, Rocket Lab is testing, guys. This is it. If we held here, we're gonna reverse. Otherwise, we'll flush. No good for Rocket Lab. Let's see if we're gonna flush. Where? Yeah, we need to flush down this time. AVGO. Yeah, it's pulling back as well. Good morning, John. Good morning, man. How are you doing? Hopefully you're well rested and, of course, ready to trade with us this year. So, if you just came right now, we were watching AVGO and Rocket Lab. Most of them pumped and dumped, pumped, dumped. I'm still waiting for Tesla to dip more, Rocket Lab to dip more, and AVGO to dip more. Yeah, I'm not touching Coinbase and Riot because they are unpredictable right now, guys. As long as Bitcoin below than 100K, it would be a bit risky to buy. Unless we buy the right dip, which we already discussed it on our King and Swing Elites. We did the 4 swing trade for the scenario of the dip, the right dip to buy. Wow, lunar want to break now. Okay, lunar's breaking out, guys. Lunar is the one to watch for today. Hologram, nothing. CTCX, Tesla, Rocket Lab, SNCI, Lunar. Come on, we need another jump here. No, 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 no. So, Lunar not good anymore, guys. Let's get right to it. The market is no good for now, man. No good. You have to wait for a right dip. Anyway, let's see. I don't trust Lunar right now, guys. The reason is because sometimes we have this kind of breakouts and no continuation, or red flag for me here. This is a red flag for stocks that doing like this. I don't like them anymore. It is red flag. Yeah, Lunar, we have a fake out. We might have a pullback now. We might have a huge pullback. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, we'll wait for Tesla pullback, and Rocket Lab is better than over trading this unusual market, which is kind of neutral. For you see the trend for today, it is early pullback, early reversal, and then pullback. We don't have decision because the market, if it pulled back, it didn't continue to go down. So even if you shorted AVGO or the other stocks, you'd be kind of in red or neutral. So the has mean the market is not decided yet. for the direction. This is MSTR, still in green. Tesla, guys, we might have a big red day for Tesla after the news of low demand and low delivery for the first time. Okay, let us see requested stocks here. We got BlackBerry, Roots, APM. For STEM, already cover it. SPCB, the same. CGBS, the same. Okay, so let us see those four stocks before we wrap up our live streaming. BP, BlackBerry, not good. Root, no good. APM, yeah, APM could be good. Yeah, it jumped from the $3.75. You're getting near the 515, which is now the current resistance. So yeah, this one not bad for today. If we don't pull back below the $3.30, APM could be good. Lunar is still going up, but I don't trust it anymore. Yeah, no trust for this one, even though we're still holding the 1970. Yeah, Bitcoin pulling back. That's why right pulled back as well. So for Bitcoin now, it need to hold over the 95 if we don't want to have a flush for riot. This is the trick now. We've got support over the 95. Yeah, right could reverse now. Are you kidding me, man? Okay, guys, this is it for now. This is it for today. Today it was a bit slow for the beginning of this year. A bit slow market. But this is should never keep us discouraged because there's always opportunity in the market, guys. Remember, guys, if you don't catch a good stock or a good trade for today, don't trade, don't overtrade, don't try to make money every day in the stock market, which is not feasible and not realistic. The idea here to always not rush the trades, and if the market is have no opportunity, is the best is to not trade and wait for tomorrow, because there's always opportunity, man. Let me just check Neo. Neo did really good today, 6%. What a nice jump for Neo. Finally, Neo reversing from the bottom, the 428. Yeah, Neo looking great, guys. Watch out, Neo doing great. So we might have a good little entry for Neo right now because it's doing really all right. But the problem is with Neo, it is the slippage. Yeah, high slippage right now. So yeah, Neo going toward the $4.83, which is the current resistance, guys. It held the 428. So Neo, I'm gonna keep it on the list here. Doing pretty good. Okay, this is it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. See you a bit later to discuss the stock further on our Discord. And if we have a good setup, we're gonna put it as usual on the unicorn hunt. Last trade was for hologram, of course, and INTZ. Those the last trade that we did last year. Perfect trade and exit. We have the price exit around the $8 before the flush that happened for micro cloud hologram last year, 31 around December, the end of the last day on Tuesday. It was a great hunt, guys, for hologram. It was a good end for the last year. Hopefully this year will give us better gains and better entry and exit for many stocks. So let us have a good this year, good year, guys. Beginning it wasn't that good, at least for today, because everybody come hangover. Some trader don't trade the market today. So yeah, we have a bit of slow market today. Thank you, man. Thank you, George, for liking the video. You are welcome. Lizzie 777, lucky number 7. And I think you are a gambler, man. Lazy 77. I think you are a gambler. Just from your name. You are welcome, man. Yeah, let us have a last dip for Bitcoin. I can see it, man. I can see Bitcoin dip again. It will be really good to have another dip before the rip. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Ahmed, for warning us about Neo, because I was forgetting about checking Neo. Neo doing really great today, but still below the resistance. Shout out to everybody. Thank you for a great last year. Let's have a great year for 2025, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you by tomorrow on Friday, of course, around 9 a.m. Eastern Time. Early live streaming on our Discord and Patreon for precise entry and exit. Right now, see you back on Discord after we finish our live streaming here to discuss the other opportunity in the market, because sometimes we don't have a opportunity and good trade at the market open, but we gonna have them before the market close. So stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching, and see you by tomorrow.